Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kay and today I would like to do an unboxing video of a bag that I ordered from LUISAVIAROMA. So let's get started. So I ordered this bag on 24th October and I got this today, and today is 27th. So it only takes 3 days from the website to ship to my home. So it comes in this beautiful black box. So I've never ordered anything from LUISAVIAROMA, so this is my first time ordering and I'm very satisfied with their service. So let's open the box. So inside the bag there is a tissue paper wrapped and with a ribbon, and these ribbons have the LUISAVIAROMA printing on the ribbons. It's very cute. So let's see what I ordered. This is just a receipt, and I think you can tell from the here, yeah, I ordered an off-white bag, and this is my first time buying an off-white bag. So it is a PVC tote bag. It's very quite big. These are the straps here, and there is a zip pocket, only one zip pocket. And here it says off-white main label. And this is the tag from LUISAVIAROMA. So if I want to return the bag, I can keep this tag so I can return it. But I'm not going to return it, so I will remove it later. And it also has an off-white tag here. I don't really understand what these are for, but this is the typical off-white tag that came with almost every bag, I believe. So it's just a pretty big bag, and I will show you later. So I have removed all the tapes of the bag, and so I will show you the overall size. So this is the size of the bag, and it's pretty big, so you can put anything that you want to put. And I believe this bag comes in so many colors, and I choose the white color because I've been wanting a white bag, but I'm also afraid of the bag getting dirty. But this is a PVC bag, so even if it gets dirty, it's quite easy to wipe off the bag, so that's why I choose the white color. And you can see the off-white printing on the strap. I believe this strap is called the utility strap. The lettering, it's quite subtle, so it's not very obvious, and I like it. And it has two handles, the short handle and the long handle. So you can hold this bag like this, or you can wear on your shoulder with a longer strap. So let's measure the bag. So it's around 24 inches in width, and the height is 14.5 inches. depth is around 9 inches. So that is a very big bag with no clasps or no zip. So if you want to put your money or something precious, you can put inside this pouch because this has a zip closure, so you can keep your important items in this zip bag. I'm struggling with this bag because it's so big. So here is the overall look of the bag. What do you think, guys? I think it's so cute, and I'm planning to use this bag on a daily basis because right now normally I tend to carry little things and very essential things, but these days I have to carry a lot. So I plan to use this bag. So I will transfer all the things that are inside this bag to the off-white bag. Right now I'm having a pochette, Louis Vuitton pochette mulligan, and inside I have some cash and my small wallet and some mints. I will put this. I have my gum, sunglasses, lipstick.